we discovered a planet around a very low mass star, a planet that is too heavy for that star. A good analogy would be that you walk into your chicken coop and you find, instead of chicken eggs, you find an ostrich egg.
The star is super small. It's like 1/9 the size of the sun, and the planet is 13 times the mass of the Earth. We don't expect there to be that much material to form planets around these really small stars, so it's surprising that we ended up with a planet this big.
It's very exciting, and it's especially exciting when you discover it with an instrument that you've built with your own hands, which is the Habitable Zone Planet Finder on the 10-meter Hobby Eberly telescope that Penn State is a partner in. So this is an instrument that was built at Penn State, and we built it to actually detect the subtle wobble of the stars as terrestrial planets or rocky planets tug on these stars.
It opens up some new questions. Like, people were like, oh, the core accretion model, how we think planets form, works pretty well under a lot of circumstances. But it's pointing out that there are holes in our understanding. It could be we don't understand what we're looking at. We're missing pieces of that. It could be some of the physics is not fully understood, and that more work is always needed, and that there's always some new exciting dimension that you can find.
It's spectacular that the increase in measurement precision that new technologies and new instruments have enabled lets us actually view the universe with different eyes. And when you look at the universe with different eyes, you often see or spot or discover things you were never expecting. And that's a very important part of modern astronomical discovery.